Hey Tapswap fam, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So let's talk about Tapswap Today code. Okay, before that, guys, if you're new in this channel and you don't know about Tapswap code, so you can join my Telegram. And if you guys want from day one to till now code, so make sure you guys join my Telegram. I recently share everything code, so yeah, join my Telegram. So let's talk about Tapswap, the best crypto portfolio. First of all, let's talk about best crypto portfolio, which is yesterday a code, and the code was unstoppable, and the code was working right now. So make sure you guys enter that code before it's ending. Okay, the time is like of now, from now it's for 15 minutes. So make sure guys just enter that code. And okay, the code is for today top 15 new crypto news is 3KKF7J. Oh yes, and it shows again yesterday problem, which is so like invalid. So sorry, invalid code. So yeah, I think it will work tomorrow also. So what happen if anything comes, I will update everything in my Telegram channel. So make sure guys join my Telegram.